Hi guys, welcome in the video. Today is Sunday, 31 August 2021. I would like to share with you all the trade that I took during this week. I took 4 trades. I would like to share with you and show you how and what confidence I used to take all those trades. Let's go in the video. Let's go. Yes guys, as you can see, we are on my Notion because those trades are already journaled. Because when I journal the trade, the next day I will delete the chart on the screen. Then I will go through journal, I will show you and explain you everything. How I took those trades. Yes, as you can see here, we are on the month of August, July. I end up this month with break even 0.01. Yes, I took 12 trade this month, and you can see. Yes, we go in the folder. This is all the trade here. Yeah, this is all the trade that I took during the month of August. But I will just show you for this week. As you can see here, I took Monday. I took very bad trade on Monday. Those trades did not even mitigate fit my plan. GBPSD and gold Monday, but those trade was not good. As you can see here, this is GBPSD. This trade was so low, was low probability. The price, the London session open, and the high time frame was bullish. My high time frame was bullish. We grabbed some liquidity here at this point here. Then normally you're supposed to look to short, as my major time frame was clearly bearish, because I saw that inside the range of Asian session you have a liquidity break small, you have an inducement. But I forget that price went up and mitigate some a strong opposite supply before coming to, but I took a long. I don't know why. It's later that I regret it. As you can see here, this was a 5-minute time frame. I set my entry. I used this as an inducement, but price swept some nice liquidity from the left before pulling back, and the order flow was bearish. Yeah, as you can see here, this is my second trade on gold. You can see the order flow was bullish, but price, what happened? Price to mitigate a opposing this rose range, as you see here. Price mitigate some high time frame supply from the left. If I go into the high time frame, you can see mitigate some high time frame and we grab some liquidity, price pull back, but do not mitigate the range. Then on the medium time frame, as you can see, price have a lot of trendline sets liquidity to target above. Price came back, mitigate this demand, but it wasn't great. But normally I was expected to sell. With what I saw here, it wasn't great. Price grab some liquidity, push back, grab more liquidity. You can see as price stopped me out and went to my TP. Exactly. Okay, as you can see on me, I use gold H4 as a medium time frame. Price mitigate gold. You can see price mitigate gold. We are in strong demand. Inside the daily demand, you have a H4 demand to mitigate, and I was happy to look for long here. Yes, on Wednesday, I took a nice trade. I was risking 1.5%, but eventually price stopped me. Market stopped one of my position. I end up close with 4.5% like this. I was supposed to close with 6%, but I was still targeting 3. I closed with 6%. Yeah, as you can see here, guys. As you can see, this is my trade. My first trade stopped out. Price stopped me out and went to my TP. You can see one of my positions stopped out. On Wednesday, I took only one position on GBPSD, but eventually I got 4 more here. I rushed. I entered early because I was just want to take another trade to eventually pass my challenge. Since I make 5% on the previous trade, I was just targeting 4%. I was just targeting 4% to make another to pass my final challenge and get funded. But at this point, I did not pay more attention on the confidence here. I was blind, let's say like this, and you can see price push with the Asian POI. Asian POI is a low probability for me. First of all, you have an inducement here, but below here, POI did not swap any liquidity. You have a flip but not swap liquidity. What happened? It means that liquidity is sitting below the POI. You can see as price push up, came back, take my stop loss out and grab lot of liquidity from the left before pushing back up. Then now the next POI was the greatest POI to look for long, but at that point I'd say I will not trade again, because since I already make a big mistake, I didn't take this trade, but I see generally as a missing trade. Yeah, this is a 5-minute time frame. I took it. This is a 5-minute CGBPSD. Here you can see. Here's my last and final trade on Friday. I took one of the best trade that I ever take this month, but I don't control the market. I just play the order flow. Market stopping out. Let's see. I will show you what happened. As you can see, gold was massively bullish. I was just looking to long. Even when we mitigate this opposite supply from the left, I was still looking to long here, because I know when gold is trending, it's trending massively. And even the H1 was still bullish. We have a H1 demand here at this zone. And at the M15, since my medium time frame, I am still looking to go long there. You can see price mitigate if I zoom in. Yeah, as you can see here, past what happened. Price, I wait for a nice strong liquidation, fake break, strong liquidation. I got my entry here. I was risking 8%, I was risking 1.5% here to make 8%. 1.5% to make 8%, but I was still targeting trade. I used dollar average cost to target 8% here on this trade. I maximize my profit, but eventually what happened? One, the part got me to stop me out and went to my GP. This is everything for this video. Like, comment, and share. If you have some thought, drop in the comment. Let's go.